Hi, welcome back to Weston Nurseries. My name is Joe Desmond. I'm here and it's holiday time. I want to talk to you about 5 gifts that I really like, that I use every day as a gardener right here in the nursery. First thing up is the hat. Essential. Every day I have this on. You won't see me here maybe once without that hat on, but for the most part, we carry a good selection of hats, and the big thing is they're going to protect you from the UV rays. They're stylish. You can wear them in the garden and you can wear them out on the town. And also a lot of them are made with natural fibers, so they're great for the environment. That's my number 1 pick. All right, let's go to gift number 2. Second up on my gift list, telescoping pruners by ARS. These are the best pruners you'll ever buy one time in your life, and they're going to save you a lot of money, and it's going to keep you off the ladder, which is going to keep you safe. Easy to use. Just pull in the trigger point there, extend it, and it locks into place. You can hear it lock right in. Then pull the trigger, and the blade prunes nice and clean. ARS blades, nice and sharp all the time. Never have to get into those rose bushes. You just stand back, reach in, snip, and pull the branch right out. That's it, number 2. Next, we're going to go to something very similar, and this is a sharpener, so it's going to keep those pruners in top condition. This is something I carry with me all the time in my back pocket while I'm here in the nursery. It's a carbide tip, and you just rub 4 or 5 times along this beveled edge and then turn it over and give it one clean wipe to get rid of any of the burrs on the backside. Keep your tools sharp. It's going to keep your plants from crushing it while you're pruning, and the plant will heal faster and not become disease prone. So for number 4 on my list, it's a little bit of deviation from gardening, but it's still connected because these gift cards have a lot of natural themes to them. You have eastern bluebirds, you have your gray squirrel, your white-tailed deer. All of these things are great for gift giving. I write notes all the time, and people love it. They feel like, whatever happened to people writing letters anymore? And I write to my wife, I write to my mother, I write to my sisters. Just a simple greeting like, wow, I had such a wonderful time at your house. I hope we can do it again. Love, Joe. So here it is, number 5. This is my best gift, and it serves multiple purposes. You can use it in your house ornamentation, or you can use it where it's supposed to be, outside, to keep rodents like squirrels and other small animals away from your house or your garden. I keep mine right up on the perch of my roof because I have trees right near my house. Squirrels climb over. Before you know it, they're finding a little nest area. Great, it's got a movable head, 360 like the real thing. Haven't seen any squirrels around my house in years. So all of these gifts are not dust collectors. I'm a real practical gift giver. All of my stuff gets used all the time. If you want any other ideas for holiday gifts, come and talk to me personally, because I know great gifts at a range of prices, from quick stocking stuffers to splurging. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.